This is State Street going west. It's not too bad. It's just snow and wind. It's nice and quiet.
I think you can see better with the camera.
That's what I was saying earlier when I was doing my video, that my Facebook Live video was that you can actually see better from the camera lens and like your actual eyes, maybe just my eyes. Well, there's a car in front of us.
Please don't run into us.
Please don't do anything stupid or crazy. There we go. Thank you, truck, for not doing anything dumb and crazy. Oh, did I turn that off? I did turn that off. We're like in the middle of the road. It's not good.
We're gonna make one of those like pre-made mac and cheese things.
We're gonna make a pre-made mac and cheese thing when we get home.
Yeah.
That sounds wonderful. You know what I want? I want potato soup tonight. Doesn't that sound awesome? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna make potato soup.
Potato soup?
Yeah. And with potatoes and dumplings, potato dumplings.
Wait,
That's good.
tonight?
Yeah, I'm gonna make it when I get home.
What?
While we're watching Supercross, while you're out shoveling snow, I'm gonna make. Yeah, it's gonna be great.
So as you can see,
It's gonna taste so good.
from the Sturgeon weather report, you cannot see very far. Like, you guys can barely see that pole that's right there. Not that, but this. So,
This is what I was worried about on State Street, because right here, right where we're at, you just get, it's just like a wind tunnel through there, that valley over there. Usually it covers everything, but it's actually not too bad.
the scooper people must have gone through.
Well, I think the wind's just blowing it off the road. But see right here where it starts to pile up?
Yeah.
See, we got the big drifts coming through.
The scooper people must have came through.
They might have. I'll tell you what, there sure ain't nothing better than having a four-wheel drive truck.
Yeah, we're in four-wheel drive.
Give me a four-wheel drive truck and a six-pack of Coors Light and the American flag, and I'm good to go. As I drive my Nissan, my American Nissan. Oh, this ain't American. What am I saying?
Please don't run into his car.
Nah, it's like a tow truck. Big, yeah, it's a big dually. Put a big old American flag in the back of that one.
Drift.
Oh yeah, drift. Yeah, get in there. Yeah.
No, go in a two-wheel drive then.
Huh?
Get your things off.
If I go to two-wheel drive, we will definitely get stuck.
No.
Not
Do your
doing that.
drift thing. Do your drift thing.
Hey, hold the camera up. You're gonna make everybody dizzy.
Drift. It's not drifting. You gotta turn your thing off.
Huh?
You gotta turn this off.
No, look out, little buddy. Little buddy. Emerson, you're missing the buddy.
There's a bunny.
Little buddy. Really dumb. There's Mama.
Drift. I already turned it off.
Yeah, it's not working in the snow. Alright, folks. We specifically built our house so that there's a T. So that in times like this, I can just go straight into my driveway and I don't need to turn or worry about anything except when Gretchen, whatever she's doing, is blocking the driveway for me to get in there. What is she doing? No, she won't hear that.
We are currently at a 1 minute stop sign.
Red one. Oh, it's a stop sign?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Ugh. And whoa, my airplanes almost are coming down.
And we're home.